Hey you guys, so welcome back to the channel, Kisses Fairy Dust. So today I'm going to the spooky car wash that we're going to, and I'm gonna be vlogging that for y'all, so y'all stay tuned and I'm excited. Oh look, and I got my light up earrings so they can see me or whatever, but that's my light up earrings, and I got my hair in 2 puffs, and this is my little feet. I got my orange on. I don't got no hair accessories. I don't really have nothing to put in my hair, but I wanted something in my hair. But ooh, I might could put my little headband on. But y'all stay tuned for the spooky car wash. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we there. So bye y'all.
Her mind is playing tricks on me.
We were playing our Halloween music, and also we were saying hey to y'all. So that's what we was doing right here. And why this dude over here blowing kisses at y'all? We had music playing, so I had to tell y'all that they was having a state fair, but they was also having a scary car wash too. So that's what I was saying on this video, but they was playing music in the back. And this is the long line that we was in, and here's the fair that I was showing y'all too.
So we can go in as many times as we want. Man, I already see some. Wait, what is it? What is it? I'm stop looking. Oh, come on, stop looking. I'm scared. I'm scared now. But what I just seen now, I'm scared. Oh, this is tough. Look, Miss Top.
Yanni, you got a 20?
No, it's not.
It is Miss Top.
Mama, JJ said that's Miss Top.
It is Miss Top.
Come on, y'all, stop looking. Okay, everybody stop looking. Okay, I'm ready. Can't do it. Yeah.
What, they at the car?
Yeah. They already in it.
What they in?
Yeah.
You know.
That's
they call.
yeah.
What they call it?
That's for Mama who? Here, whoever here. My mama said here. Lock the window, Daddy. Daddy, lock the window, bro. Mama.
Uh-oh. JJ tell you?
Yeah, so keep out real. Keep out real.
See?
What's your name?
I ain't letting the window go, babe.
Here,
My hip. My
I
hip.
don't know how.
Mama, get this 50 cents.
Look, Kwani on the side.
Look.
Kwani said he gonna punch the fuck out.
My daddy like the window, bro.
That big side one on.
Ooh, that mud fall.
That's my boy Art.
Say,
Tell him we finna watch his movie. We finna watch your movie.
That's Yanni boy right there.
Daddy like the window, bro.
Nah, you come on, get under here.
What's your boy Pig Saw?
Over there, Jay.
What is my boy?
Stop it.
I really should have.
TKD, look in front of the car.
Long time ago, I was like, ever knock the shit out.
Quad. Look at it, Quad.
Them boys scared.
Oh, look at that boy.
They wrong
Quad, look at the Quad doing.
Look, he right there, bro. He waiting.
One by my window.
What? That's my boy Art.
Loco!
Get up!
window! What are you doing?
JJ, you so play. Man, do like the window.
Bro, I'm not playing, bro.
Mom, look outside you.
I'm scared from by the window. I shouldn't have went by the window.
Touching me up, thinking something touching me.
Uncle Quanny, look.
About to go to zero.
I'm scared. Who next?
My boy Jigsaw. Oh, yeah. And we gotta go through that too? Man, that looks scary.
yeah.
I'm scared of that part right here.
Oh, we gotta go.
Yes. I'm scared to go over there.
JJ, switch spots with me, bro.
No. Oh, you want the window down again?
No, not that JJ.
Switch.
No.
I tried to get. Let me
JJ
get
gonna roll the window down.
I swear I ain't gonna roll the window down. I swear. Like the window.
You not giving no
I'm not gonna roll it down.
No.
Quality.
Uncle Quanny, look.
Quality, look at Jig side. What was that?
What up?
Play a game. Alright, bet. Let's play a game.
JJ.
October 31st. Let's do it.
Look at you when you see that.
I'm scared. Hey! I know they ain't playing no Franklin.
Y'all don't roll that window.
Let's go. Where? No!
JJ, you not touching this window. Go ahead now.
Punch in your face. You better get back. You gonna get punched in the face. I ain't even lying, bro. Stop playing.
Now y'all can't roll the window down the hill because they probably got water.
They do. Dad, they lock the windows, bro. I'm not playing.
All my opponents here.
Whoa. Daddy! Yeah. Man, bro, I'm scared. Come on. Take my shoes off now. This bro is fun, bro. I'm on the Bible to get him. Janaya on the Bible, y'all.
That's the one Janaya right
Like a good one. Dude, that boy be going in my bed. You talking about? Mama, y'all, if they come by the window, I'm gonna punch them. I'm not playing. 2 more. Window don't go down.
Son, I'm about to hit.
You might be on that side because ain't nothing on this side.
You open that thing at the top, I'll be like, oh Lord, praise the Lord.
JJ keep letting the window down. That was you letting?
Scary. No,
Oh,
that's
dude
my
was doing
daddy. Yeah, that's my daddy doing it. You scary. He rolling the
am.
windows down.
I told y'all I'm school and shagging them.
At least they ain't touching you.
My favorite one with
If they would have touched me, it would have been really over then.
I thought that was souls, whatever.
To be honest,
That
mine
was
was the pig nose. Well, that would have bet.
Jigsaw was the best. She played the game with me.
Man, we need to go to that one in New Orleans when the people were shooting the what the things called?
Oh, no. They shoot.
What those things called? Paintball. The paintball.
No. TK
I can't
them
do no
scared.
more now.
TK them scared. I'm already scared. Man, I'm scared, bro.
It's the hearse and the what
Better grab some cover. It's 3 of them.
What the third one at?
Right there at the bottom. 1,
They
2,
got
and
one over
3.
here too. Yeah, what that is?
That's a
There's 3 of them.
What is that?
I don't know what he is.
That's a dragon. That's a wolf. That's a dragon wolf.
They got a wolf right here.
Oh.
That's a wolf.
That's a werewolf.
That's a werewolf.
There you go. Here go to McClure.
Elevator start acting like
To get them scared already when you make it yet, bro.
open up and we gotta walk out and go.
I'm knowing.
Crawl. You had to crawl and all that in the bed.
13 gates ain't nothing like this, JJ.
I know.
JJ, you think you can take 13 games?
Yes.
You can't fight the people neither.
Man, sir. I ain't gonna fight them. Let somebody touch me.
I'm scared. Let me put my shoes on, bro. If I need to take them off, I'm throwing it at somebody.
JJ, don't pull the window down.
Hey.
Y'all gonna get wet?
Yeah, we can't roll the window down now. We can't. How much you guys we can't roll the window down
I
now?
don't know who said kid friendly from 6 to 7, but they lied.
They lied.
I ain't wanna tell them.
Oh,
Now
you
y'all know
told
we
me.
ain't never go through the car wash
They
yet.
never
Exactly.
had those.
Uh-oh. Look at him. He ready for us.
He's waiting on us. Look, she actually under there.
Brace myself for this part.
JJ, your big head in the wind.
To the right.
There's your George.
Who's George?
George from Pennywise?
Yeah, right there, look.
Well,
He pushing us.
Georgie?
uh-oh,
Yeah.
y'all.
Oh, that is my boy George.
Where Georgie?
Come on, stop being scary, son.
Oh, he rocking my fucking coat. Give me the blanket.
Who rocking the car?
Look behind you.
Oh, no.
Oh no, he over there. They right there. They
Oh, they
hide.
done turned the lights off, y'all. They done turned the lights off. Uh-oh.
Put on this window again. I bet. I can't even see.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
y'all.
I like this.
Nah, yeah.
Thank you. I like this. Scoot up. I like it a lot. They gonna pop out. I know they gonna have a jump scare.
I'm scared now, y'all. I'm scared.
Oh no. Ah, he right there.
Uh-oh.
Candy, look. Hey, stop playing.
Look at that.
Oh, they got blow the boat.
Candy, he coming. Nice and scary. That's it. They cut the radio off. It's over. I won't go again.